Built in 1950, this stunning mid-century character home is set within the highly sought-after Frankston High School Zone. Offering a huge 4-car garage set behind private gates, this is a home that is ready and waiting for its new owners. I'm McClure from Eview Real Estate, and welcome to 31 James Street, Frankston.